Hello dear friends, I am Amit Belikar from Tips and Tricks by A and B welcomes you to my channel. Already we discussed various types of coatings of tablet in some previous sessions. Before going through today's presentation, let me ask you a question. Will you think coating of tablet is an easy task? Can we coat the tablets easily? You will get answers of these questions in this presentation. But before moving further, if you still didn't subscribe to my channel, please click on subscribe button and click on bell icon to get notifications of all my new videos. In previous sessions, we had discussed about various types of coatings of tablets like sugar coating, film coating and entry coating. In this presentation, we are going to discuss about defects in the coating of tablets. After going through this video, the learner will be able to find out defects in the tablet coating and correct defects in the tablet coating. We already know that manufacturing of a tablet is not a 100% errorless process. Similarly, coating of tablet is also a tedious task. Coating of tablets decides its elegance and efficacy too. Hence, coating of tablet should be done scientifically and error free. To coat tablets properly, we should know what defects can be produced during tablet coating and what are the reasons behind that, so that we can eliminate these defects. Thus, we can avoid these errors and coat tablet in a flawless and perfect way. So, let's see the defects which occur during coating of tablets. During coating of tablets, the defects can occur as twinning, cracking, blistering, chipping, cratering, picking, pitting, blooming, blushing, mottling, infilling and orange peel. We are going to discuss these defects one by one. Let's start with twinning. During coating, if two tablets stick together, it is called as twinning. It occurs due to high spray rate or less evaporation of the solvent. Thus, it can be corrected by reducing spray rate and increasing pan speed to improve the evaporation of the solvent. Next defect is cracking. In cracking, small fine cracks observed on the upper, lower or side surface of the tablet. Cracking takes place if polymers with high molecular weight are used and amount of plasticizer used is less. It is corrected by using low molecular weight polymers and adjusting plasticizer and pigment concentration to minimize internal stresses. Another defect occurred during coating is blistering. If film of coat detaches from tablet surface in some areas, it is called as blistering. It occurs if temperature of hot air used for blowing is very high and drying takes place very rapidly. To correct blistering, mild drying conditions should be used and temperature of air is kept to moderate temperature. Next defect is chipping. Removal of some parts of coat from tablet surface, mostly from the edges, is called as chipping. It takes place due to decrease in the rotation speed of pen and less polymer and or plasticizer concentration in coating solution. It is corrected by increasing hardness of the film by adjusting the concentration of plasticizer and polymer in coating solution and adjusting rotation speed of pan to its optimum speed. Another defect is cratering. Volcanic like eruptions or shapes appear on the coated surface of the tablets is called as cratering. It occurs if drying time to seal the film is insufficient or if high volume coating solution is used for coating. It is corrected by efficient drying and controlling spray application rate of the coating solution. Another defect which occur during coating is picking. In picking, part of the film sticks to the pan, resulting detaching of some of the part of core tablet. It takes place due to overweighting of the tablets by polymer solution or rapid drying and higher rate of application of coating solution. It is corrected by increasing the viscosity of coating solution, increasing the air inlet temperature for efficient drying and decreasing the rate of application of coating solution. Another defect is pitting. In pitting, deformation of the core tablet takes place without any visible sign of disruption of the film coat. So there is no any sign of disruption on the film coat, but core of the tablet is deformed. It occurs due to increase in temperature of tablet core than the melting point of the materials used in its preparation or non-uniform spreading of the film on tablet surface. It can be corrected by controlling drying temperature. Next defect is blooming. Blooming is the fading or dulling of color after prolonged period of storage at high temperature. It may take place due to change in composition of the film or use of too much plasticizer or use of plasticizer with low molecular weight. It can be corrected by decreasing the concentration of plasticizer in the polymer or using plasticizer with high molecular weight. Next defect is blushing. It is appearance of white specks in the film due to precipitation of polymer particles in the film. It occurs due to high coating temperature and gelation of polymer. It is corrected by decreasing the drying temperature and avoiding use of sorbitol with polymers like hydroxypropyl cellulose, hydroxymethyl cellulose, methyl cellulose and cellulose ethers. Another defect of coating is mottling. It is variation in the color of the tablets within a batch. It takes place due to poor mixing, uneven spray pattern of machinery, insufficient coating, migration of soluble dyes, plasticizer and another additives during drying. It is corrected by using lake dyes which cannot migrate, improving mixing and correcting formulation by replacing plasticizers and additives. Next defect is infilling. If monogram or engraving on the core tablet surface is filled with coating solution making it narrow, it is called as infilling. It takes place due to uneven spreading of coating solution on the tablet surface or more amount or high rate of coating solution is used. To correct it, alcohol is added to coating solution to improve dispersion and change the spray nozzle which may produce finer atomization. And last defect of tablet coating is orange peel. If surface of coated tablet appears rough like orange peel, this defect is called as orange peel. It occurs due to rapid drying, poor tablet composition which becomes soft during coating, or high and fast spray rate. It can be corrected by using mild drying conditions, using additional solvent in the coating solution to reduce its viscosity, and optimizing the spray rate. Now it's time to summarize this session. In this session, we had discussed about various defects of coating of tablets like twinning, cracking, blistering, chipping, cratering, picking, pitting, blooming, blushing, mottling, infilling, and orange peel. We discussed their definitions, reasons behind their occurrence, and remedial measures to correct these defects. Thank you for listening me patiently. If you like this presentation, please click on subscribe button and bell icon to get notification of further videos. Like it and share it to your dear ones. Drop your queries in comments or on my mail address which is given in the video. Thank you once again.